Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have something a little bit new. It is a review of the Becca Volcano Goddess palette. I actually got this a couple of weeks ago and I wasn't 100% sure I was going to review it just because the pictures online were like, this is an okay palette, but I got it anyways. I haven't looked at it yet, but I just figured I would just, take a look, do first impressions, and see what it is like. I don't really own a lot of Becca Cosmetics. I have a couple of highlighters and I think like some primers, but that's really it. I don't have any of their eyeshadows. This is what the front looks like. And then opening it up. Oh, that's a lot different than I thought it would be. It's actually really, really, really pretty. Let me get you up close to it. Those glitters are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead and try this today. Let's do some swatches first of all. Okay, so starting from the top, we have Cloud, Volcanic Sand, Granite, and Gilded. Volcanic Sand is very close to my skin color. It's the second one right here. So you can't really see it, but the color seemed nicely pigmented. That Gilded is really pretty. I'm a little concerned that it is going to seal up after I use it the first time. So we'll see if that happens. Cloud, Volcanic Sand, and Granite are the only matte shades in this palette. It's nice because they are neutrals, so I do like the mattes to be a little bit more neutral. I find the color is better. And then we have 6 shimmers and 3 glitter shades. I'm wondering with the glitter shades if I'm going to be needing a glitter glue or not, but we'll find out. So next we have Diamond Dust, Haze, Red Rock, and Lava. And I really like Haze, Red Rock, and Lava. Diamond Dust, it's hard to pick up on the screen, but it has kind of a white gold duochrome. Can you see that? There we go. And in the pan, it does not look like that. I am finding that they do feel creamy, but they kind of go on a little bit patchy and a little bit chalky. So I'm hoping that they blend on the eye pretty well because as we all know, swatches aren't the end all to how a color is going to perform. Last, we have Agate Ash, Crater, Hematite, and Midnight Sapphire. Midnight Sapphire, it looks very blue in the pan, but it went on really dark, almost like a blackish purple with a little bit of a blue glitter in it. The other colors are really pretty. I do really like Crater and Hematite. Agate Ash is nice. It just seems a little cool for me, but we'll see how it performs. So there you have it. These are the colors here. I'm not 100% sure of what look I'm going to do today, but let's go ahead and get my foundation and everything else on so we can play with these. I will be right back. Okay, I was just playing with this and my camera wasn't recording. And I was having a lot of problems with these glitter shades and with these shimmer shades, actually. I wasn't getting any payback on my eyes. So I had all I did so far, actually I wiped off this one because I had some blue on there, but it just wasn't working. But I did use this one, Granite, on my lid as a transition. And I used Cloud just as a base. I'm going to add a little bit more Granite here, just so I can even it out with my other eye. But I'm having some problems with this palette. So what I was originally trying to do was going in with a gel liner in this bright electric blue, just as a base so I can lay this down. And it wasn't working right. It wasn't laying down correctly. It was really patchy. It just didn't look good. Is my contact gone? I think I lost my contact. We'll find it. I don't really care. I've got more. I'm going to try going into Haze right here with just a paddle brush and see if I can lay that on my lid. I mean, that's okay, but God, it's boring, isn't it? That is so boring. Yeah, I definitely lost my contact. Son of a bitch. All right. I was wiping off my eyes and my contact slipped out. Yeah, that is so boring. Okay, let's go into hematite, this kind of grayish color. And let's see if we can salvage this. Nope, I don't like that either. All right, I'm not having a good time with this palette. This is not what I wanted to do. I had such high hopes for it. I'm gonna try wetting my brush. And let's go into Gilded, see if I can do anything with this. And this one I'm really digging in. And I know with glitters, you have to kind of pat them on. I don't like using glitter glue. I'll use a base. So patchy, guys. All right, well, I mean, if you work at it, it's okay, but it just looks, I mean, as you can see, I'm going in with my fingernail just because I'm frustrated. Okay, well, there you go. There's some payoff. I have some gold lids. I'm going to stop here just because I don't want to go through the rest of the day with gold lids. Overall, the palette is, I mean, I think it was $52. Nope, it was $46. I don't feel like it was worth it. I felt like I really had to dig into these shades here just because they sealed up pretty quickly. After I swatched them initially, they started sealing up. And that was one thing I was worried about. And that's one thing that I know with some glitter products, that they do tend to seal up sometimes. But this one, it did it so quickly. I feel like the matte shades here are okay. They're not stellar. I actually prefer the Too Faced Natural Matte palette because it's got some really good neutral mattes. They will not work with every skin tone. I feel like this is definitely a light skin tone palette, which makes me very sad. These colors here, I didn't get a lot of payback with. And I just kind of found them kind of boring. I mean, you look at it like that, and that is like a super boring palette. And then you've got these really great pops of color that are good, but they're not great. I'm really bummed out. Anyways, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope this gave you some insight on the Volcano Goddess palette. There was a lot of hype around it, and I'm just really sad that I'm not a big fan of it right now because I do really love Becca products, and the Becca products that I do have are beautiful. But I'm just finding this palette is just, it's not good. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit those notifications so that you know every time I upload. See you again next time. Bye.